Cool, right? You want a jacket?
Hold on, I said one.
What do you see? What do you see next?
What does that one say?
That an Oldsmobile and a Mustang.
I like that. Yeah. Hey, look at that car.
Yep, Corvette.
Yeah. And the morning.
Yep. Cool, right? Come on, next one. Doing good, buddy. Daddy's proud of you. No touch. Don't go too close. Good job. See, he got the toy that matched too. That cool, right? You like that one? Don't touch. Too close. Back up. That's right. Hands up. Good boy. Good job. Or put hands behind your back so you don't forget. You want a jacket? Come this way.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
I think yeah.
Next one.
But it's not enough. That's why you gotta bring them down for like at least.
Do you want your jacket?
No, okay.
You sure?
For the height.
You sure you don't want jacket?
No, okay.
Okay.
That one.
Yeah, I know you're gonna like that one.
Say. What does that one say?
That's cool, right?
Say.
It's like Cousin Joe's Greases. Back up, like the Rumblers.
Fire the wind.
Yep. You like them, I know. Everybody likes them. Cool, right? Those are like the Rumblers. Don't touch. Hands behind your back. Or like that's fine.
I love the island. Your wife's island. I love it.
Excuse me. You happy, buddy?
Hey, bye.
You like the Rumbler cars, I know.
Yeah. You take them to the show down in Coney Island?